okay, guy, it's just a cake. Here we go. See? Ow! Hey! What? Ah! Stop it! All right, here we go. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's like a cat cake. Oh, okay. Oh my god. It's so real, I almost feel bad. Okay, here we go. Whoa, hey, oh, I still can't believe how real this looks.
Ready to see inside?
Here we go.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, buddy, gotcha.
I really thought that was his twin.
Can't blame him.
It's not you, buddy. You're safe.